Birds have finally found my little bird feeder. I'm so happy. Look at them. I start putting some seeds in there. Only a little bit though. I don't want the other mice and rats getting them. Look at that. Bird feeder's using my bird feeder. Ain't that beautiful? Carrot cucumber project looking great. Got them transplanted into where they're going to stay. There's my other planter. I'll try some in small pots also and see how they do. Have a great day. Happy Thursday. Grow some ornamental peppers. Arizona watermelon variety. There's my other indoor petunias. How you doing?